Hi, I'm Sonia Baldassarre, AI Integration Manager at Telus Consumer Solutions. Welcome to AI Boostbites, where we explore practical ways to bring AI into how we work. In Telus's UXR team, we weren't struggling with the lack of data. We needed to turn that data into meaningful insights at scale. We were working with tens of thousands of customer comments, where the metrics were clear, but the why was buried under lines of text. This meant work focused on the data instead of actions to our customer. To solve this, we didn't just introduce AI. Our integration team partnered directly with them and their workflows. So together, we built a set of personal Gemini Gems that serve as their analysis sidekick, and a set of gems shared company-wide. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build and use our UXR Sidekick Gem, and how it helps turn large volumes of feedback into actionable insights. Step 1. Define the persona. When creating your gem, be hyper-specific. In the instructions, paste this: you are a UXR research assistant. Your goal is to provide deep analytical whys from customer feedback. You must provide specific recommendation and cite verbatim examples. Step 2. Clean and prompt. Structure your data for clarity, even in a spreadsheet. Make sure your data, like header rows and descriptors, are consistent so that the analysis isn't skewed by confusing formatting. Once ready, add the file to your gem knowledge base, and it's time to ask your sidekick, based on this data, what are the top 3 friction points for our mobile app users this month? Step 3. Deep dive for evidence. Now ask your sidekick for the why and the proof. Follow up with, for each of these friction points, provide 3 specific customer quotes and suggest one actionable solution we can take to the product team. The team tested multiple rounds of this, so the final gem understood how they worked and what good looks like. By using these gems, our team has saved 450 hours annually. Our team is no longer locked in a spreadsheet, but advocating for our customer. And instead of being a single point of insight, we've enabled others to explore and validate independently using these gems. What we've seen is a shift from AI curiosity to AI confidence, where teams adopt AI into their daily work and advocate for it with others. If there's one takeaway, it's this: adoption isn't only from introducing a tool, it comes from building around how people already work. Ready to get started? Hey, now it's your turn. Thanks for watching.